friends, today number 14 celebrated as World Diabetes Day. World Diabetes Day is a primary global awareness campaign focusing on diabetes mellitus and it is held on 14 November each year. Diabetes is a disease that occur when your blood glucose or blood sugar is too high. Blood glucose is the main source of fuel for our cells. Insulin, a hormone that produced by the beta cells of pancreas that help for glucose from the food that get into the cells. Sometimes our body does not make enough insulin or does not use insulin well. So the glucose that stay in the bloodstream and does not reach your cells. There are mainly three types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and gestational diabetes. If you have type 1 diabetes, your body does not make insulin properly and your immune system that destroy the beta cells of the pancreas. And type 1 diabetes is usually diagnosed in children and adolescents, although it can appear at any age. People with type 1 diabetes need to take insulin every day to stay alive. If you have type 2 diabetes, your body does not make insulin and does not use insulin properly. You can develop type 2 diabetes at any age, even during childhood. However, it can occur most oftenly in the middle-aged and older people. The type 2 diabetes is the most common type of diabetes. Gestational diabetes develop in some women when they are pregnant. Most of time this will go away when the baby is born. However, if you had gestational diabetes, you have greater chance of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Sometimes diabetes diagnosed during the pregnancy is actually type 2 diabetes. Causes of diabetes. Type 1 and type 2 diabetes may have similar names, but they are different diseases. The body immune system is responsible for fighting off foreign substances like harmful virus, bacteria, etc. People with type 1 diabetes, the immune system destroys its own healthy cells for foreign substances. Thereby, insulin is not produced in the beta cells of the pancreas. People with diabetes do have insulin resistance. The body is still producing insulin, but it is unable to use it effectively. Genetic and environmental factors play a main role in the causing of type 2 diabetes. It is clear that certain factors that increases the high risk of diabetes that include weight, inactivity, race, age, gestational diabetes, polycystic ovary syndrome, abnormal cholesterol and triglyceride level, and high BP. Symptoms of diabetes include increased hunger, increased thirst, weight loss, frequent urination, blurry vision, extreme fatigue, sores that do not heal. Prevention method of diabetes. Check your risk of diabetes, manage your weight, exercise regularly, eat a balanced and healthy diet, limits takeaway and processed food, limits your alcohol intake, quit smoking, control your BP, reduce your risk of cardiovascular diseases. Over time, having too much glucose in the blood can cause health problems. Although diabetes has no cure, you can take steps to manage your diabetes and stay healthy. Thank you.